Alright folks, I want to make a quick video on repairing cigars, and this is a Monte Cristo that I got came through the mail. I don't know if it was damaged during shipment. Rarely does that happen, but could have been. But you can see where the wrapper was torn here, and then also right there, and even into almost into the band there, which I hate these extra bands. I don't know why they do that, but anyway, that's neither here nor there. So to repair this, I just got a little dab of honey and put it on the inside of the wrapper there, and stuck it back together. Now the downside to honey is that it is sticky and it will stick to other cigars. And it takes a while to dry. I think I did this one about 6 months ago, and it's now finally dry to the touch. Doesn't stick to your finger or nothing like that. So, but I did want to make a quick video. It is a easy way to repair torn wrapper on a cigar. So, stay tuned for more management videos.